How to check primary location on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your primary location on Facebook so you can see which city or area your account is connected to. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply scroll down and tap on the option that says see your about info. And now here, once you are in this section, here you'll see all your personal information including work, education and location. So here, simply scroll down and look for the option that says place lived, and there your primary location is usually listed as current city. So there you can simply tap on it to see more details like when you added it. And here if you want to change your primary location, then you can simply tap on the edit icon next to your city and update it. And that's it. Now you know how to check your primary location on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.